Wanna know how to swap two numbers without using a third variable? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. And we're going to do this by using the XOR method. So it's super simple and it's just a few lines. So let's get straight to it. Now, so we have used simple arithmetic in this code. So you can just copy up this code or modify it as you want. First, we add both numbers and store it in A. Then we subtract B from the sum to get the original A back to B. Lastly, we subtract new B from the sum to get original B into A. So you can see this line of code right here. This trick avoids temporary storage, and that's it. You can just simply swap variables just by simply using this line of code right here. Then we just print it out and we can just run it to check the results, and there you go. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.